Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Boomplay account on iPhone and Android in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Download the Boomplay app. First open the App Store on iPhone or Google Play Store on Android. Then search for the Boomplay. Next download and open the app. Step 2. Open the sign up page. On the welcome screen, tap sign up or create account. Tap continue with email or login with phone. Step 3. Choose a sign up method. You can create an account using phone number, email address, Google account, Facebook if available. If using phone number or email, tap on continue with email. Next enter your phone number or email, then tap on next. Then you will receive a OTP PIN number, then create a passcode. After creating a password, tap on sign up and log in. Step 4. Verify your account. Enter the verification code, send by SMS or email, then confirm to continue. Step 5. Set up your profile. Choose a username, gender and age. Then tap on done. Select your music preference and accept Boomplay's terms and conditions. You can listen without an account, but sign up lets you download music, save playlist and follow the artist. And that's how to create a Boomplay account on iPhone and Android. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.